Hi, my name is Ivana and I'm a co-founder of NETTA. It is a startup working at the intersection between neuroscience and education and focusing mostly on research and development.
I am Rosalba. I am a teacher and researcher at Università della Svizzera Italiana at Lugano. I study social neuroscience and the empathy and the human behavior and the mind and the brain.
Participating in the workshop of the Innovation Booster towards Radical Innovation meant a lot to NETTA and personally to me, because it was the first time I could explore how neuroscientific findings could be applied to an industry like fashion and lifestyle, and I find it fascinating.
Participating in this very important day is very useful because in this way it is possible to create a new network, a new mind. It is possible to reset the mind in a new direction, in creative way. And in this approach, the perspective, the new perspective, for example, a neuroscientific approach, is it possible to create a new setting in an empathic way.
Through the design thinking workshop today, we could not only explore our problem deeper, but come really to the essence of our problem, understand it in the best possible way. Without it, we would not have been able to even start thinking about the solution. Today, we explored mostly desirability, and we realized that it is the most important part of the proposal. If there is no desirability, there is no market for our product. So coming from research, it was very important for us to understand how desirability is defined, and our advisor helped us to understand that.
In this business context, is it possible in this way to combine two different levels, academic and business, and is it possible to create a new bridge that connect people, connect minds in very innovative way, because for example with empathic approach, using a neuroscience approach, is it possible to understand, to detect the real needs of people? Is it possible to respond in appropriate way to these needs and to change behavior, to change in new direction, positive direction of behavior?